Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use home-based scheduling. Ready to stop fighting spreadsheets like it's a final boss battle? In this video, we're diving into how to use home-based scheduling without needing a business degree or 5 cups of coffee. First, head over to Homebase, click Get Started, create your account using your email and business details. Then you'll land on the dashboard where all the scheduling magic happens. On the left side, click Schedule and you'll see a weekly calendar view. To add a shift, just click any empty time slot, choose the employee, set the start and end times, and assign their role. You can even duplicate shifts or use templates so you don't have to rebuild the same schedule every week like it's Groundhog Day. Once everything looks good, click Publish, and Homebase automatically sends notification through the app, text, or email. You can also manage time off requests, availability, and shift swaps directly inside the platform. That's basically it. Your schedule is now organized, your team knows when to work, and your stress level just dropped by at least 30%. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.